What is good, Neo family? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the one and only Neo stock and some very important things that we need to be looking out for the future of this company. I'm also going to answer the question, is Neo going to explode tomorrow? Is Neo going to crash tomorrow? Where do I see the share price going for tomorrow and for the upcoming week based off technical analysis? Now, before I do any technical analysis and talk about Neo's price movements, I do have to mention some very important things first. First off, I'm not a financial planner, guys. This is all for educational purposes only, so do not take this as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. And not only benefits me, benefits the entire Neo community as a whole. And the last things, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below and in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, which could each be worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to have the chance to win up to $200,000, as Moomoo is giving away up to $200,000 for the new year. So if you want the chance to win $200,000 and you want up to 5 free stocks, please check out the link down below, sign up and deposit $100. It's super fast, simple, and easy. And with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So looking at Neo, we're currently down about 0.99% we're on Friday, right? We ended up closing in the red. However, guys, I'm still super bullish for the long-term future, no matter what on earth ends up playing out for the short term. Now, the point I'm trying to make, guys, is Neo has been dropping quite a bit. And I did make a video yesterday about how Neo could actually rebound from this falling wedge. But what about for tomorrow in particular, right? Because we know for the long term, it's very probable that Neo is going to be super bullish because of the fact that the EV sector in the USA and China around the world is going to be exploding for the upcoming years because we're entering the electric car revolution, right? But the thing about Neo is we haven't been exploding quite a bit quite yet. We've been dropping quite a bit actually, and we did end up dropping below the support we had at $27. So what I'm trying to talk about, guys, is Neo's RSI is showing that this thing is heavily oversold, and it is at any given moment, guys, we should start to rebound at least a little bit because we've been way too oversold, very, very oversold. So that's what the RSI is showing, right? So where is Neo going to go? Well, I want to show you guys this, okay? That the truth is that the market is being affected by the Fed, is being affected by the SEC, it's being affected by news involving the Evergrande situation in China. All these things are affecting the market. Well, look at this right here. Go to the SPY. You guys are going to see something very interesting. So the SPY was crashing really hard, but then the SPY found very strong support. In fact, it had a very spring-like reversal once we touched 420. Now, I know that's not just a coincidence. I know that's very funny actually, but it's just so interesting how we found support there. And since then, we're actually starting to rebound just a little bit. So going into the next week, guys, I'm actually going to be a little bit more bullish going into the next week for the SPY and for the NASDAQ because there was so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt about what the Fed was going to do. The Fed didn't crash the market or anything like that. And we know that interest rates are not going to rise at the extent some people are scared of just yet because we don't truly know that yet, right? We don't know we don't know it's not going to happen. We just don't truly know to what degree they're going to be raised still because Jerome Powell has not confirmed anything. So what I'm trying to say is for Neo, guys, we've been crashing really hard, okay? I did tell you guys that we had support at 20, which I thought was going to hold up. It did kind of hold up. We ended up kind of like dropping below it, but then we closed right above it. So what I want to talk about is, and I'm going to use a trading view for this part because this is where I start drawing. I used a Fibonacci retracement. So what I did is I got the Fibonacci retracement chart and I clicked from the bottom, which would be like as low as $10. And we went all the way to the top. Neo's all-time high right here. And this shows you support and resistance at different ranges. Now, we had a golden pocket. The golden pocket would be estimated to be between 21 and 20, right? Based off this, that's going to be the 0.618 and 0.65 retracement, which is how you find the golden pocket. The thing about the golden pocket is we're currently inside of it right now. This is where Neo's strong support is, or the $20 range. Now, if we end up dipping below that, guys, the next key level of support would be the low $18 range, 1834 to 1820. That's where Neo could end up going if the market were to rebound really hard. Drop really hard. And at the end of the day, guys, it's a possibility. So we're either going to go to like 18 or we'll start to run to the upside. So what do I think is going to happen on Monday? Here's the bottom line. Based off the fact that the market's going to start to rebound most likely, I think, and I could be wrong when I say this, and if I am wrong, guys, I apologize. I'm still super bullish for the future of Neo. And I know Neo is going to recover for wherever it drops right now. It's going to recover eventually, in my opinion. So Neo might run to the upside. $21 level of resistance, drop a little bit. The market has a big jump, causing Neo to run to maybe like 23, 24. Then Neo dips right here, runs up, trades kind of sideways. And that's kind of like how I see the week, guys. I think we're going to end up closing in, I'm sorry, just like this. Wait, hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me fix this. We could see some price action kind of like this. So we're probably going to see Neo's probably going to run up is what I think on Monday. I could be wrong, but I feel like sometime during the week, we're going to see the market maybe start to rebound and Neo may go as high as 25. Now, I hate to make that call and be wrong if I am wrong, but that's kind of like the way I see it kind of heading, right? We're going to run up, drop, trade a little sideways, drop in the golden pocket, which is where we're probably going to trade. And we may actually run as high as 25 if the market rebounds really hard, because that could start to happen. I'm not saying we're going to just explode to all-time highs. I'm saying we're going to see a bit of a rebound. So I'm kind of expecting that, right? I think we're going to have a rebound on Monday. I could be totally wrong, but what I'm trying to say is I'm going to be more bullish than bearish going into Monday. I think I messed that up right there. Should be a little bit more like this, maybe. Sorry. So for Monday, I'm going to be a little bit more bullish, guys, a little bit more optimistic. And I think we're probably going to see some good moves to the upside relatively soon. I'm not saying we're going to go to like 1,000 overnight or like $100 overnight. What I am saying is I'm going to be more bullish going into the week because I think the S&P and Nasdaq are going to start rebounding, and I do think Neo is going to find its support and start to run a little bit up. Now, I could be wrong. I've been wrong plenty of times. I'm sure you guys know. A lot of people like to attack me in the comments. It's funny, and I apologize, guys, because I will admit I'm wrong a lot of the time when it comes to Neo. A lot of people didn't expect Neo to drop this hard. I didn't expect it either. This really caught a lot of us off guard. It was pretty surprising. But I want to prepare you for either scenario. Now, a more bearish scenario, real quick, I'm going to be a little quick. We kind of like run like this. Hold on. A more bearish scenario would be we kind of like drop, we bounce up again, and we continue to drop a little bit to like the 18, that low. We kind of like run up, dip, and then we continue on from there, kind of like that. That would be a more bearish scenario, but I feel like this is less likely. And this green one, this green line, I think this is more likely, right? This is what I think is going to end up happening. So I want to give you guys both scenarios. Both of these are possible. But I'm saying that this is probably the most likely scenario. The green one, that's what I think is going to happen. So anyways, I hope you guys found some value in this. I hope you guys understood some new technical indicators and you understood how Neo's price moves. And I just wish you all the best because I know Neo is going to rebound from this in the future. Remain calm, cool, and collected, and we are going to recover. That's what I have for this one. I thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Neo to the moon, and peace out.